Good news to DMC holders. Tumaas ng 61% ang net income ng DMC sa second quarter ng 2026. DMCI is building a new profit engine. For decades, coal ang main business behind the DMC. Pero ngayon, nickel is quickly becoming their fastest growing business, lalo na ngayon na uncertain pa rin ang future ng coal operations nila dahil sa pagdidelay ng DOE sa COC bidding. For the first half ng 2026, nag-increase ng 26% ang net income ng DMC year-on-year, driven by strong nickel earnings which helped offset weaker earnings from its coal business. Mining delivered the biggest jump, plus 276% year-on-year sa second quarter to 1.3 billion pesos, contributing 20% to DMC's net earnings. Sa first half ng 2026, tumaas ang earnings ng nickel mining by 130% year-on-year dahil sa full quarter contribution ng Long Point Mine. With Long Point Mine now operational, nadagdagan na ng active mines ang DMC from 2 to 3. SMPC pa rin ang biggest contributor sa earnings ng DMC. Sa first half of 2026, it delivered earnings of 4.74 billion pesos, down 1% year-on-year. The bigger story is the shift toward power. SMPC's earnings sa second quarter is up 13%. Power accounted for 96% of SMPC's earnings versus 57% a year ago. Bumaba ang coal to just 4% from 43%. So power is increasingly driving SMPC's earnings, while coal is becoming a much smaller contributor. Hindi lang mining and power ang nag-drive ng growth ng DMC sa first half ng 2026. DMCI Homes earnings is up 19% driven by higher residential revenues and improved margins. DMCI Power is up 10% year-on-year, supported by higher energy sales from added capacity. Sa construction, DM Kunsunji Incorporated jumped 254% to 241 million pesos, mainly due to improved project margins. DMC's cement business significantly narrowed its losses. First quarter loss improved 83%, so it's close to becoming profitable na siya. Maynilad was the exception, down ang earnings to 1.53 billion pesos, mainly because bumaba ang DMC's ownership ng Maynilad after the IPO. Overall, these businesses helped more than offset the lower Maynilad contribution and supported DMC's strong first half 2026 results.